Hi everyone, this is Luke. Today I want to show you how to download DeepSeek on your iPhone. It only takes a few clicks and it's quite simple. First, open the App Store and wait for it load. In the bottom right corner tap Search. In the search bar type DeepSeek and you will see several options. But we want the second one, DeepSeek AI Assistant. Tap Get. Now a window will pop up where you will have to confirm to download and the app will start installing. Once it's downloaded, tap open, agree with DeepSeek terms and you will see the login option. You can either sign up for a new account or log in your Google account. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave me a like and give subscribe. See you in the next video.